Okay, so in this experiment, we're going to be lighting some candles in a box with water in it. And when we cover the candles with a beaker or some sort of closed container, the candles are going to use up all the oxygen and they're going to burn out. And when they go out, the water is going to be sucked up into the beaker to replace the oxygen that was burned. Okay, so first we have a box with 2 candles attached to the bottom with tape. And we're going to be pouring water with food coloring into the box, enough so that when you place the beaker over the candles, the bottom of the beaker is fully submerged. Okay, so for the first shot, we're only going to be lighting one of the candles to see how much water is going to rise when that one candle goes out. Okay, so now that the candle is lit, we are going to cover the candles, making sure that the base of the beaker is fully submerged in the water. So as you can see, the candle is slowly going out, and now the water is starting to rise. So then we'll be using the ruler to measure how much water. Okay. So for the second trial, we're going to be lighting both the candles to see how much water is going to rise, and make sure to dry off the beaker just to make sure that both trials are taking place under similar conditions. Okay. So I'm going to light both candles now. Okay, so now that both candles are lit, we're going to cover the candles with the beaker to make sure that they don't touch the sides of the beaker, and making sure that the bottom is once again fully submerged. One candle already went out, and the second candle also went out. And as you can see, the level of the water is much higher than it was with one candle. Yep. Okay. And we could do this experiment with 3 candles, but for the sake of time, we're not going to do that.